name is Marilyn Watkins, and I'm in the Boise Open Studio Tour this year. I will be exhibiting with my daughter, Becca Watkins, and we will be doing an outside art show. But here's my studio. I often work out here in my garage, and you can see I do a variety of different things. Here's some of my paintings, and I also paint on aprons. And I paint on scarves, and here's some examples of those. Each one of those is a painting that I did that was transferred onto the scarf material. But what I really wanted to show you today are these eco prints that I do with leaves and flowers. And the process is here's another one, a big piece that I did that came out really well. Rose leaves work really well, as do eucalyptus leaves, but you know, you just kind of have to try different things and see how it works. And the process is to soak your paper in alum, that's what this is, alum, and then go ahead and put your leaves on top. And this is just a small panel here. So if I put the leaves down, like so, and put a piece of this kind of sandwich paper on top, and I can do several layers. I could build this up, maybe 5 different layers of paper with the leaves. And then for this one, I would just clip it together. If I have a long one, I put the paper on and the leaves on and I roll it up. These marks are for the string because this would need to be tied. And then I steam it in a turkey cooker for, probably about 4 hours. And they're done. And they come out really beautiful. A lot of these colors are from, I believe these were some blueberries that I used, and I've used red cabbage. Like I say, the eucalyptus leaves work really well. And it's a lot of fun because it's always a surprise to see what you're going to get. So I'll have these cards, I'll have my scarves, my aprons, and a few paintings if you want to come by. And I hope you will stop by and say hi and check it out. Okay, thank you.